Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on a Samsung Galaxy A35 phone. We need a brush with flexible bristles for this. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol. You can buy such a set, both the brush and the diffuser, on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have that option, you can use a regular toothbrush, just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard. We must turn off the phone before cleaning. We never clean the phone while it's turned on because we could damage it, so we need to hold down the volume down and power buttons until the menu pops up, and then we select power off. We wait until it fully shuts down. We dampen the brush thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol so that it is wet. We pick up the phone. Here we have the microphone, here we have the air vent for the microphone, so we can clean both of them with a steady motion, 10 to 15 strokes in one direction with the brush, then the same thing in the other direction. Just make sure to perform a few strokes in one direction, because if you go right, left, the dirt will just stay inside the hole instead of coming out. And brushing it in one direction like this causes it to eventually come out of the hole after a few tries. We've already cleaned the first one, now we'll clean the second one a few times. This is just a drainage hole, so you can just clean it gently. It's not even really required, because if it doesn't actually improve things, it's just like if water got into the microphone here. You see, the phone is technically somewhat waterproof, but that's really just saying it's only a little bit resistant to water, and it certainly doesn't mean it's fully protected against everything you might throw at it in daily life. But it's still good to clean it a little bit just to keep it clean. Now we turn the phone over to the other side, and here we have the third microphone. The third one. The second one is a microphone, but it's also good to clean the third opening because it helps us with noise cancellation, muting ambient sounds, muting the voice, and muting the wind, so it's quite helpful when talking. So, for the main microphone to work properly, this one needs to be clean as well. Because if it's not working right, the main microphone will have a harder time adjusting its parameters to ensure everything works as it should during a call. After performing the operation, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and after that time, we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.